Hi, I'm Jennifer, your instructor for Patient Better. I'm happy to meet you and thrilled that you are here. Because learning to manage your care is crucial for your health these days, and I'm here to help you navigate it effectively. Because healthcare can feel overwhelming and misunderstandings, well, they can lead to significant issues. By collaborating and communicating your care needs more efficiently, you can avoid unnecessary trips to the emergency room, delays in care, and maintain more control over your health. You probably already know this, but taking charge of your health saves time, money, and stress. Staying informed helps you avoid unnecessary appointments and tests. When you share your organized health information with your providers, they can make quicker, more accurate decisions, ensuring that your treatments are effective and tailored to your needs. Now, in order for us to help you manage your care more efficiently, we're going to focus on a few key areas like appointment preparation, for fewer complications and emergency room visits, enhanced participation in treatment, and have an information-driven medical appointment. Improve your risk management skills to have a realistic calculation of services needed for proper treatment, recovery, and informed decision-making. Responsible medical utilization. By preparing for medical appointments, you will make way to effectively take advantage of offered services, treatment, resources, while reducing unnecessary phone calls and office visits. And my favorite part, to self-manage care records, which means you and everybody in your healthcare team will become an efficient liaison in the transfer of information from one doctor's office to the next, so that you and your family can focus on more important things like getting back to health. And that concludes our video for today. Once again, I am excited to meet you and glad that you are taking the proactive steps to become a key member on your care team. Now, Patient Better provides the foundation for effective care management. So remember that after completing this program, you'll need to connect with us on social media, subscribe to our email list, and continue enhancing your health management skills. So that way, when you're ready, you can digitize your health records and confidently engage in telemedicine. Our program supports that too. But for now, join me in the next video to explore Patient Better's website and discover the tools and resources that will simplify learning this program.